Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design. In this video, we are going to show you how to create a coordination system and also how you can see the mass properties through that coordinate system, right? So let's say I'm creating one rectangle 150, 150 and 150. And I am applying one material over here, plain carbon steel, any material you can apply. Now, if you go to the mass properties, right, evaluate and mass properties, it will show you the mass and also center of mass. Okay, so center of mass will be 0, 0, 0 because the coordination system is there. If your coordinate system is here, what will be the center of mass? That you have to calculate, right? Accordingly, the all coordination system will change. So as you can see, report coordinate values relative to default. Default means in between. Okay, this one in the middle. And now you can see if you have changed, let's say in the CSWA question, it asks to calculate from here. So what you will do? For that, you have to create one reference point where you can create your coordination system. So go to the reference geometry and create the coordination system, and it will create the position. What position? This vertex. Okay, now in what direction you want to give the x-axis? Let's say I am giving the x-axis in this direction, y-axis in this direction, and z-axis in this direction. Also you can flip your coordination system from here, and also you can rotate this value. Okay, so let's say I'm going 90, so it will create 90. Let's say 45, so it will create a 45, but don't do that. Okay, so I'm keeping it 0 for now, and now we are again selecting, sorry, the edge, y direction and z direction, right? Okay, now I have created the coordination system, which you can hide also if you don't want. As you can see, x direction, y direction, and z direction is there. Now, if you want to measure mass properties from this coordinate system, what you can do, you can just go to the evaluate, go to the mass properties, and set default to coordination system 1. Okay, so as you can see, 75, 75, and 75. So our part was 150, 150, 150. So it will divide by 2. Okay, 75, 75, 75. So this is how you can create your coordinate system and setup. So whenever you are giving the sample exam in CSWA or CSWP, make sure where they are given the coordination system. So accordingly, you can create your own and see the real measurement value. So they can ask center of mass value and you can give the correct one. So this is the common mistake done by the Solidworks beginners. So yeah. So keep sharing, keep learning. Thank you so much for watching the videos.